Hey everyone! How to show relevant information without interrupting the developer's flow? Top-level notification, also known as balloons, are a way to go. To display notifications, we need two things. First, a notification group to act as a configurable channel, and then a notification instance itself. Declare a notification group as an extension in your plugin descriptor. Set the display type to uppercase balloon constant, and more importantly, provide a human-readable identifier. A quick tip for choosing a good ID. Try finishing this sentence. Notifications in this group tell the user about bagel. Next, let's create a new notification instance. The constructor takes three arguments: the group ID, the content text, and the type which controls the icon that's displayed. Once that's set up, just call the notify method and pass in the current project. Let's see that in action. The notification is timed, as it will automatically disappear after 10 seconds. However, it will remain in the notification tool window until cleared in the timeline section. Notifications are configured in the JetBrains ID settings. And by the way, you can customize the notification icon using the corresponding warning, error, and information constants. A top-level notification can contain actions rendered as a link or button. Let's track calories. Chain add action function with create simple expiring method, which gives you a trailing lambda for the action handler. When the user clicks it, the notification dismisses automatically. However, it will stay in the notification tool window with the hyperlink grayed out. Keep in mind that anything beyond two actions gets hidden in a more menu, so put the most important actions first. When you need to give more context, use a title and a body. The title briefly describes what happened, and use the body to explain the impact or guide the user on their next steps. Notice that the constructor now takes an extra string before the content, that's the title. So far, we've used time balloons that fade away, but sometimes you need the user to take action or provide input. That's where the suggestions come in. They show the primary action as a noticeable button. Unlike time notifications, suggestions won't go away on their own. The user has to act and dismiss them explicitly. Let's show it again. Click the Configure button to dismiss the notification. Their notification group is configured as sticky. To mark the notification as a suggestion, set its type. The UI guidelines recommend using a plugin or functionality icon instead of the generic information icon. This takes three steps. First, the resources/icons directory need to contain SVG icons for dark and light mode. Then, the singleton object should contain an icons Kotlin file with a type-saved field that loads the corresponding SVG. And finally, the setIcon method on a notification instance sets the corresponding icon. And that's all there is to creating great notifications in your plugin.